I want to show you how to cut small blocks on the bandsaw to create veneer. I'm using double stick carpet tape to press the block onto the auxiliary board. Notice I place the block on the leading and lower edge of the board. We're going to slice veneers to a thickness of 3/32. This is the safest way I know how to cut these on the bandsaw. We take our time as we slice the block. Easy does it, and watch how the veneer just falls off. Notice how smooth the surface of the veneer is after the slice is made. Notice the rocker thin rip jig. On the far end, it's got a roller bearing. And what I've done is I've placed the block against the roller bearing and I've adjusted the fence towards the roller bearing and the thin rip jig. This way I obtain a 3/32 thickness on each slice that is being made. That's because the blade is a distance of 3/32 away from the roller bearing. Take a look at another angle. You'll see how our block, which was originally 3/4 of an inch thick, is getting progressively smaller. It's important to take your time, let the blade do the work. There's no need to force the material through the blade. Just let the blade cut. In this view, our block is about maybe 1/4 of an inch thick. Imagine trying to slice veneers with a block this thin any other way. From a 3/4 inch block, we now have 6 slices of 3/32 veneer. As a result, we now have a design of parquetry.